No, no, these are for the little ones. Dakota found a couple and he's eating it.
Sebastian, get down here now. Honey? Why are they up that high?
Put it in your bag and go get some more.
Did we get them all over there?
Get it, Dakota.
I have no idea how many was thrown.
Put it in your bag. Bag. Put it in your bag. Put it in your bag.
Oh,
There you go.
who was the crow when it did the truth?
Look, you're grabbing it.
You or him?
Did you get it?
Up in the tree. Oh, that's just
Look.
cruel.
Look around. Look around.
Hungry? You hungry?
Look in the chairs.
Sebastian. Go away. Go away. Rochelle, go away. Go
Grab
away.
his bag. Here.
Sebastian.
Yeah.
Sebastian, come here.
Hey, how many you got there, Pine Nut?
Good job. Put it in your bag.
Pine Nut. Yeah.
Are you done? Are you done?
You ever seen how tough